Hello again, that's Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 26 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. And I'm going to be pulling in my Q1 How to Kill a Kit for Vegas photos. I'm going to be rolling this kit into Q2 just so everyone knows. I do have another kit planned that I want to play with, but I really would like to just not have to put this away and bust out a new kit. I know, lazy. Here is today's sketch. So we have 3 nice photos, a big element, some sprinkle bits, some banners up here, and a large title. I am only going to have one photo. It's of me and my son. This was his 21st birthday trip. I lost an earring. Fun fact. This was in Caesar's Palace. It was all decorated up for Christmas because Sam's birthday is December 9th. So me, my husband, and my parents with him flew out to Vegas for his 21st birthday. So I'm going to have this. And for that large element, I'm going to use this right here from Paper House Productions. I do have an affiliate link down below if you want to pick up these fabulous items. So I figured I'm going to kind of like reverse this part, and I'm going to have the photo sit in here somehow-ish. I don't know. We'll figure that out because the Eiffel Tower there is going to stick up between us, but we'll figure that out. And I am going to map my photo on the glassine bag because that'll use that up. Excuse me. I'm going to use this for my background because it was his birthday. This is going to map my photo and then do the strips with those. Just trying to use up some scraps as well. I've pulled back in the sticker sheet. I've got the chipboard. I've got some birthday fun. Some enamel dots. More title. Another, I don't know if I'll use this for the title or not. Got some puffies, some more puffies, and then this little fun whatever it is with some dollars and credit cards. So I know what we're doing, so I'm just going to go ahead and cross this off. Just because I haven't been able to play along with everyone, even from Follow a Sketch February. Wherever that's at. I've lost Follow a Sketch. Oh, Follow a Sketch is here. So I've saved them because I do want to play with them later on. Alright. I've got class in about 45 minutes. So let's get some stuff done. So or do we want that? Because this is going to sit here. I think we're going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and change my thought process. So this is a piece from Carta Bell. I don't know which collection. Travel. Let's travel. Alright, so we're going to run this right there. Then we're going to trim this off. Right, like that, sorry. So we've got that on there. Let's go ahead and get this very well loved and beat up glassine bag that I think I've had kicking around for quite some time. Put that right like that. Then we'll get this fun thing out. That's done. So this is going to sit right about here, and My idea is not going to work. Because I can't be, that just looks wrong. Alright, so let's pull this up farther. So if we put that up there, stick this here, and then we just kind of sit this guy right down here, right? Alright, let me figure this out. Unless I go with this over here. Or I put it up at the top. Ooh, I could do that. Give me a minute. I'll come right back. Alright, let me just get some of this stuff out of the way. We've done class. And we're back now. So, I have kind of thrown some stuff in some areas, right? From the chipboard. And I decided to put this up here. And put this Vegas element down here. Stuff doesn't stick to the glassine bag the way that I would like for it to. So just to make sure, let's just, you know, make sure we're getting stuck down. Alright, so we've got that. I've got the Born to Shop there. I did use up that whole little sheet. Let's see, what fun everyday story. So I'm thinking, since the title is supposed to be like a large title, let's see. What a fun everyday story, I think is what we can do. Let me see if I've got an A I can pull. Oh my goodness, this has adhered. Oh my goodness. Okay, those are just going to get thrown away. Yes, they are. So what if we do this? That, like, was so sad. Let's use a camouflage A. It's my little camouflage boy. He doesn't hunt or anything. He just really likes to wear camouflage. So let's do what A. And like always, I know you guys have seen me do this before. I do just come in and press that down, and then we kind of get some, and these are from the Bella Boulevard sheet. It was a fall collection. And then I'm just going to take my finger and kind of press them all down. B, do not start. Ma'am. Oh, that dog. And then we'll put, if we can get, I bet we can. Do a fun oh man. I should have checked. I should have checked. Man, how are we gonna fix that? I know. We have so many orange pens. Let's see, is that one gonna work? Alright, there you go. That's how we fix that. I know it looks a little squished, but I kind of like it. And then we'll get this one in there. And it's okay. I know some people are It's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. My husband is doing the best he can right now, so we are just gonna keep trucking. All right. And then we're gonna put this little guy. How fun is that? How fun is, no, I'm sorry. So it says, what a fun everyday story. So we do get the large title on there as well. And I used up another one of my color cast designs. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Okay, throw the whole thing away now. I usually try to save them, those zippy locks. All right, let's see. I did create some other... Ma'am. Back up. Ma'am. No. I created some banners out of those paper strips and then found some banners in here as well. Let's see, since these are like, you know, there's a happy birthday to you. Happy cake day, maybe use that one. Let's see. I like those too. Okay, just trying to use as much of my stuff up as I can. I have a massive kit and I've added to it. So let's go ahead and add the Let's Party right there. And then up here, we'll put the birthday wishes. Just kind of stick it right there. Then we're going to add these little tickets from the chipboard sheet. I do hope you guys are having a good week so far. I am behind. And I feel like I may never catch up. No, I do not like that. No, don't stick. Got that little tag right there as well. And then we want to get this little piece. I'm going to pop him behind the glassine bag. And, okay, so like when you can just manipulate your glue, you guys, you know that, right? Let's just pop that right there on that area on the two cards, and the two cards represent 21, and you know that's why this was kind of a fun kit to use. Some of the items are just not going to make sense, but I'm okay with it because I am. Let's stick the little glasses there. All right, everything on here, yep, is stuck down. Let's see, what do we have over here? I'm just thinking we could stick, if my hair gets in the way, I apologize. These little pencils in there. And we've got that little ruler. You know why? I don't. I just thought it would be fun. A little fun way of adding some stuff. Okay. I think I got these at Bella Boulevard's. Let's color. I'm not sure. And let's pop in some dominoes around the place here. Okay. Just using things up a little at a time because I bought so much of the same stuff in this collection. So now let's just come in and let's have a little party. And some of them are sunk in, some of them are not. think we can go with the pink over here. And then we can stick the green. Right there. So really trying to make my way through that. All right, you guys, that's going to do it for today's layout. And I'm super excited. I really like this one as well. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Do all the fun YouTube-y things like subscribe, check out the Facebook group, join my YouTube membership, get full access to all the videos that are on there, and lots of fun mixed media tutorials and just exclusive layouts and things that I've done just for my members. That if you just click that join button, and I think it's $4.99 a month, and give me some feedback on that. Also, I'll be having my quarter 2 class in June, and it will be kits from the Tres Jolie Kit Club. So if you're looking forward to signing up for some mixed media classes using a fabulous kit, let me know, and I'll check you guys later. Bye.